What's up, Cook Fam? It's your girl, Nikki All Day, and today I'm back with another cooking video. Today I will be showing you how I make my stuffed chicken breast, and I'm gonna have some potatoes on the side along with some Brussels sprouts. But first, I just want to say I hope everybody's being safe, stay home, and make sure you're staying healthy. So, with further ado, I'll get to the video. As you can see, I have a chicken breast here. It's been cleaned. And right here, I put a little cut right here. Knife, I just went this way first. Don't go too far. Then you go the other way. And the cut is all the way like down here. So we're going to be stuffing it. I have some mushrooms. I'll be stuffing it with mushrooms. Red bell pepper, of course. And I want to put some of this this hot pepper cheese in it. Gives it a good flavor. Also, I'll be chopping up a little onion, and I have some spinach right here. It's frozen, but spinach. Okay, so I'm going to chop all of this up, and I'll be back when I'm ready to stuff the chicken. Now we're ready to saute our veggies. We have our mushrooms, red bell peppers, our spinach, and our onions. Let these saute for about 5 to 7 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna just season my veggies with Cook's 12 Step Seasoning by me, of course, which will be available soon. I'm going to season my veggies so the inside of my chicken can be just right. Now when this gets done, I have to let it cool down because I'm going to mix the cheese with it so it all can be stuffed inside the chicken. Now I'm shredding my pepper jack cheese to go inside my chicken breast along with the rest of my stuffing mix I made. Okay, as you can see, I did season the inside of my chicken. Now I'm going to start stuffing it. Take your time. It's going to be a little slippery, but grab a spoon. See if this will help. I know all of this is not going to go in there. I'm going to go for like 2. See, You want to stuff that chicken breast. Make sure you get all the way at the bottom. Keep pushing it because it'll go. And we're going to close her up. I'm going to season the top. First, let me wash my hands and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, guys. I'm all cleaned up. Now, as you can see, my chicken is stuffed, and I do have to close it with some toothpicks to seal it and make sure it's closed. There we go. So there we have it. Now what I'm going to do is spray some Pam cooking spray on it, and I'm going to season it, and we're going to throw her in the oven and put it in my air fryer oven on 400 degrees for 25 minutes on rotisserie chicken. This is the only season I'll be using. Cook's 12 step seasoning. It has 12 herbs and spices. It is very good. It's an all-purpose seasoning. It's all you need. Give you that excellent flavor and that beautiful color. Get all that chicken. Let's rub her in. It's one of my favorite meals to make. A little bit for good luck. Okay, guys, this is all set. I'm gonna throw her in the oven and I'll be back shortly. Now I did boil these for about 5 to 7 minutes, so they won't take so long when I fry them. Just cutting them down the middle. Spray some EVOO on there, a little salt and pepper. Very good to go. Oh, my hands are so slippery. Okay, there we go. Food is done. Let's see how the inside looks. There's a bone right there. See how stuffed it is? That's really good. So that is it for my stuffed chicken breast with red bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, and spinach. And I added some red pepper cheese for a little spice. For my seasoning, I used Cook's 12 step seasoning. It's a variety of herbs and 12 herbs and spices all in one, which will be available soon. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. I will leave the recipe in the description box below. And you guys can follow me on Instagram as Nikki's_kitchen and Facebook at ONikkiAllDay. And also my business page for my skin and hair care products, Nix_homemades. My website is, well, I'll put it down below in the description box. Until then, I want everybody to remain safe, wash your hands, stay home, pray for one another, FaceTime each other, call your grandparents, see how they doing, call all your loved ones, tell them you love them. You never know what this virus is going to do. I just pray it's all over soon. So, that'll be the end of my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will be back with another video really soon. Until then, everyone stay blessed and have a great night.